Principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. With due respect and great reverence, we are celebrating the Day of Defense, a cunning enemy we had to face, but we accomplished our work with grace. ए वतन तूने पुकारा तो लहू खोल उठा, ए वतन तूने पुकारा तो लहू खोल उठा, तेरे बेटे तेरे जानबाज चले आते हैं. Yes, my dear fellows, on 6 September 1965 is the day when India attacked our dear homeland in the darkness of night. Cunning thieves. The Indians were so sure of their success that they settled among themselves to celebrate the victory a few months later in Lahore. They were ahead of them with all kinds of weapons. Honorable Principal, as history tells us that Abraha, who was a non-believer and an arrogant king, attacked the sacred house of Allah, Khana Kaaba, led his army with black elephants in the same manners. The Indians attacked our country while their black Russian and American tanks were ahead of them, but what a courage! Boldness and bravery was demonstrated by the Pakistani army and nation. खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशा ज़वाल ना हो. How the fearless, courageous and daring tigers of Pakistani army crashed their ever plans. They tied bombs to their bodies and were ready to sacrifice their lives for the motherland by laying under the enemy's gigantic tanks in a shake, which ended the all-evil plans of India in smoke. Our brave fighter pilot alarms down 5 Indian giants under a minute. All this tells us that how brave our soldier embraced shahadat. Dear honor, मिली नहीं हमें अर्ज़े पाक तोहफे में, मिली नहीं हमें अर्ज़े पाक तोहफे में, लाखों दीप बुझे तो ये चिराग जला. पाकिस्तानी आर्मी जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान बाइंदाबाद. Thank you.